Hello everyone. This is about my individual video. So as an introduction about myself, my name is Gera Chwarga, and I'm taking a computer security course as my elective, ICS 382 or Cyber 332. Department of Computer Science and Cybersecurity, Metropolitan State University, fall 2021. And my instructor is Professor Grant. And having said this, I'm gonna go to the next about my individual video is about the issue of IoT security or IoT security issues. So as you can see from this picture, you can see that different electronic things are interconnected to each other. Smart cars, smartphone, computer, a printer, a video camera, everything. It's a lot. So you can connect all these things together over the internet. But to be connected these things to each other, there's a need to use Wi-Fi or internet. So when we go to about the introduction, IoT is an abbreviation for the Internet of Things. It's not just connecting people with people, but it's connecting things with things. So in your home, smart home, there may be a thermostat, there may be a fridge, a smart fridge, there may be smart kettle, just to make a coffee. There may be to lock your house, you may use a paddle, a lock that can be used by you through a fingerprint or Bluetooth. And so it says here, before arriving home, smart thermostat can help warm or cool our homes. Yeah, so you can adjust your temperature while you are at work or while you are driving or while you are drinking coffee somewhere in Starbucks or Caribou coffee. So then when we come to the architecture, unlike the 7-layer OSI model, IoT provides us with a simple 3 to 5 model depending on the device being developed. The 3 layers architecture consists of a perception layer, network layer, and application layer. So this is much easier than using the 7-layer OSI model. The perception layer or sensing layer, whose central feature is sensing the changes in its surroundings using sensors. These sensors could detect temperature, pressure, light movement, and heartbeat on your wrist. It converts the provided signals to digital signals, which are used to pass down to the next layer. The middle layer, also known as the network layer or communication layer, whose responsibility is to connect IoT devices to devices, devices to clouds, network devices, and servers. Its main purpose is to transmit and process sensor data passed down from the perception layer. Network layer implements protocols such as HTTP or HTTPS, IPv4, and IPv6. The topmost layer, which is the application layer, is responsible for delivering different application-specific services to IoT users. As you can see here, there's a smart fingerprint padlock. This can be used to lock and unlock your house, or whatever you want to lock, you can use this padlock, and it uses a Bluetooth too, so you can unlock and lock using the Bluetooth while you are somewhere doing something. You can do locking and unlocking the padlocks. As you can see here, the next one, smart Wi-Fi kettle. This one just like a coffee maker. You can use this one you don't need to go to the kitchen to make a coffee early in the morning while you are on bed. So you may stay on bed and just you can turn it on from bed and make a coffee while you are arriving down the kitchen. That's already ready for you to drink. So this is yeah, as one part of or one device that is part of the IoT. Why do we need security? Because we need security since these different electronic things they use. I mean, they communicate each other, and as well, your information or data is out there. So you need to secure your data or your privacy. Because at the same time, hackers are out there just sniffing, to hack or to steal your information. So you need to, we need to do some security solutions for this. The challenges are, if you see here, technical vulnerabilities and hardware issues are the challenges. As IoT involve different devices to be connected in a network with the internet access, some technical aspects can arise if devices are not protected properly. And the other challenge is hardware issues. The Internet of Things needs constant and costly updates. Smart devices can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. If there were any hardware issue not fixed by the manufacturer, there will be a challenge. Possible solutions for the security is using the end-to-end encryption. As we have learned in the lab, and we have done from the lab how to encrypt and decrypt the data, the text message or the plain text message, the sender side and at the receiver side. So the best way to send your data over the internet is just encrypt your data, your plain text, and at the receiver side, decrypt the data. But both the sender and the receiver need to exchange the keys to encrypt and decrypt. End-to-end encryption would be promising solution, yes. And the other problem solution is use a strong password. This is very necessary. When you use a strong password, that hackers probably to get your through to your data is very less. So use your username and password are the most likely to be hacked by the hackers. So I recommend to you guys use strong password when you create an account, a username and password. Authenticate always protocols needs to be implemented. Any IoT security framework being implemented should be tested and confirmed for scalability. A mechanism based on encryption technique like RSA, SHA-256 or hash chain is required to secure the user and environment data from being captured. Since the IoT devices and applications are growing rapidly, an approach needs to be designed to handle the cost and capacity constraints that are expected to be encountered shortly. The majority of IoT devices use cloud services for storage data, so you must protect the data as ciphertext. That means just encrypting and decrypting in between is, over the internet is the ciphertext. It's not a plain text. The use of some artificial intelligence based technique or algorithm to secure IoT device might be useful. Yes, that's true. In the coming future, artificial intelligence is the leading technology. Every company nowadays, they're just heading to artificial intelligence. So we may use artificial intelligence for securing our data over the internet. Next one, since the IoT devices, other solutions unrelated to data storage include providing security using blockchain. Blockchain is one new and the base technology to secure your data. So we may use this stuff to protect our data over the internet. And I thank you very much for watching my individual video, and you have a good day. Thank you.